class children, we are already learning about the lesson motion here. I have given some for you. A particle moving with a constant speed, constant acceleration of 2 meters per second square due to west, and have an initial velocity of 9 meters per second due to east. Find the distance covered in the fifth second of its motion. All of you understand that? Not. We have to given that acceleration of the particle 2 meters per second square, and initial velocity of the body, that is 9 meters per second square, and after that we have to ask that the distance traveled by the particle in a fifth second. Okay, here I have drawn a diagram for you. Here the particle is moving with initial velocity 9 meters per second, and it goes here, it will be take rest, and after that it moves backwards. So the distance traveled, we have to take the distance traveled as we travel to here as distance, and we have to return here for distance as per the 2s distance traveled by the particle. Okay, here a is the acceleration of the body, that is minus 2 meters per second square, because it is a deceleration, minus 2 meters per second square. U is the initial velocity 9 meters per second. T the time taken by the particle to reach the point where it makes turn along the straight line. Here the particle travels s distance here, and here it will turn back side. So we have to find the time taken by the first distance, and after that the time taken by the second distance. Okay. So first of all, here the object moving with initial velocity, and it changes after it comes to rest, because here final velocity is 0. Comes to rest, then final velocity will be 0. So I have take u is equal to 9 meters per second, and a is equal to minus 2 meters per second, and v as 0. So I have to find t. V is equal to first, what are the equations of first motions of first equation? V is equal to u plus a t. Here v is final velocity 0, because the body comes to rest, the velocity is 0. Here initial velocity is 9, plus a value is minus 2 into t. Here plus 9 changes into comes into left side, it will be changes into minus 9. So here it will be minus 2t, minus and minus are cancelled. 2 is here, 2 is multiplied with t, here it comes into left side, 9 divides 9, 9 by 2 is equal to t is equal to 4.5 seconds. Now let us find the distance covered in half second is from 4.5 to 5 second. We have to find that distance traveled by the fifth second. So now let us find the distance covered in half second is from 4.5 to 5 seconds. That is 4.5 to 5 seconds means half second. Okay, let u is equal to 0, because the body starts from rest. Here the body starts from a rest, so initial velocity is 0, starting velocity is 0. So take u is equal to 0, u is equal to the formula for equations of motion is s equal to ut plus half a t square. Take u is equal to 0 into t value half, plus half into acceleration is minus 2, 2 into half t square. 0 into half is 0, plus here 2 is cancelled, 1 by 2 whole square means 1 by 4, and here 1 by 4 meters are there. Total distance covered in 5th second is equal to the half its motion given by s is equal to 2s, means here it will be, here the distance is because s distance is and the distance other s distance is traveled, so the total distance traveled is 2s. So here the distance is equal to distance in 5th second is equal to 2 into 1 by 4, that is equal to 2, we cancel 4 in 2 times, that is half meter. So distance traveled by the particle in 5th second is equal to half meter.